Frase AI just got a new update that will speed up your writing work even more. Now you can generate an SEO-optimized first draft for your content in just a few clicks, and this is what I want to show you in this video. Welcome to Digital Toolcase. I'm really excited about this update because, once again, Frase is adding something really useful, in my opinion. I want this video to be straight to the point, so here is how it works. First, create a new document in Frase using the main keyword you want to rank for, choose the country and your folder. I found this keyword by using a combination of two of my favorite keyword research tools. The first is WriterZen, the second is Lofruits. So this is an all-in title zero keyword, and at the same time it has some weak spots in the SERP, so it's theoretically easy to rank for. And by the way, if you don't have a Frase account, in the description you can find the link and try it by yourself for 5 days for just $1. Once you are inside the document, click on the Let's Go button on the right and Frase will analyze the SERP for you. Now you can see what your competitors are writing about in your specific query and you can do your research. Next, you need to generate an article outline, and here is where the new update really comes in. Click on the outline button, and now you can choose between selecting headings from the search results or generating headings ideas with AI. You can even paste your own headings if you want. If you click on Select Headings from the search results, you can choose headings from your competitors and build your outline. You were able to do it even with the old version. If you click on Generate Headings Ideas with AI, Frase will generate an outline for you. As you can see, it supports both H2s and H3s, and you can move them, change the text, change the heading type, or delete the ones you don't like. Be aware you need to have a maximum of 15 headings here in order to generate your draft with AI. If you want, by clicking on the Explore Headings button, you can also add some of the search headings. Now you can click on Generate a Draft, and here you have some other important settings. You can choose if you want AI to write an introduction and if you want it to write short transition paragraphs before each H2 section. It's still not perfect, but you can experiment. In the SEO keywords to consider field, you can insert your own keywords, or by clicking on Use SERP Topics, Frase will import here the most important LSI topics from the SERP. This is fantastic and it's crucial if you want to generate an SEO-optimized draft, and it's the real advantage of this new update. Instead of generating the draft or the entire article and only after that optimize it, you are guiding AI to include these topics while it generates the content. Here you can now choose the tone of voice. You have some presets, for instance, first person, personal experience, or formal professional, but you can also insert the tone of voice you prefer. Next, you can click on Generate AI Draft from Outline, and here is where the magic happens. Frase is now working for you, generating an SEO-optimized first draft for your article. You just need to wait 1 or 2 minutes. Once you have your draft here on the right, you can take a look at it. If you don't like some of these sections, you can regenerate them, or you can regenerate the entire draft. Once you are satisfied, click on the Paste to Editor. Now you have your first draft here. Quite long, but please note, this is not a finished article. You don't want to be lazy and publish it as it is because there will be some issues, for sure. But this is a pretty good start, and as you can see, you already have a good SERP score, and your goal from here is to edit this draft and cover all the missing topics. Depending on the topic you're writing about, you will have a higher or lower score here. As we know, AI is not perfect, so you always need to make sure your article is well written, without repetitions, and with the correct facts. And if you need to fact-check some parts of your content, you can do it for free with the Atomic Topics Fact Checker. I made a complete video about it and about atomic topics in general. I'll leave you the link in the description. But what if you don't want to generate an entire draft? Can you include SERP topics when using AI commands? Absolutely yes, because under AI Write, now you have this new In Editor tab. Here you can insert the general or specific context, the keywords to include, use SERP topics, and even blacklist the keywords you don't want. You can select the tone of voice and the output length, and every time you will use the right button or AI commands, Frase will take all these settings into consideration. Don't forget you also have a chat feature here, similar to Jasper Chat or ChatGPT, where you can interact with AI and have other ideas to make your content even better. So what do you think of this new Frase update? I like it so much, it makes things easier and faster, and Frase is really becoming an all-in-one tool you need to seriously consider if you are a blogger, an SEO, or if you have an agency and produce content. If you want to try Frase for 5 days for just $1, in the description you can find my affiliate link. Thank you so much if you will use it. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel because I will show you many other interesting tools and updates going forward. Thank you very much for now, have a great time and see you soon in the next video.